Hi, and nice to see you back at Garfin's Creation. Let's make some chicken donuts today. The recipe you'll find in the description box below. I'll start by making a paste of 2 small green chilies, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and ½ inch ginger. I'll blend this in the mixer and get back. You can increase the amount of chili over here. I'll just scrape the sides and be adding 350 grams of chicken mince. You can also use boneless chicken here, but cut it into smaller pieces. Into the mixie jar, I'll also be adding ½ teaspoon red chili flakes, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, and 3 slices of bread. Adjust the salt as per your taste. You can use 2 to 3 slices of bread. Break them into smaller pieces and put them into the mixie jar. I'll also be adding 2 cubes of Amul cheese, that is the processed cheese, grated, and now I'll be blending all of it and get back. Don't use any water for grinding, and this is the texture you will get after grinding. Along with the processed cheese, you can also add mozzarella cheese. We will now shape this mince into donut shapes. If your mix is too wet, you can also add some more bread crumbs or corn flour. Here I have taken some Maida for rolling the donuts, 2 eggs and some bread crumbs. Into the eggs, add a pinch of salt and ½ teaspoon of red chili sauce. Beat the eggs along with the salt and the red chili sauce. To shape the chicken mince into a donut, take a portion of it and tighten it by rolling it in your hand. And then roll it round and make a hole into the center. And also flatten it a little. You can make any size, large or small. This is nicely shaped and looking like a donut. I will roll it into the Maida. I have taken ½ cup of Maida here. Roll it nicely and dust off the excess. After the Maida, dip it into the egg and coat it well. And then next, coat it well again with the bread crumbs. This will give a nice coating to the chicken donuts and they'll be nice and crispy once fried. This chicken donut is all ready. I'll be making the rest of it in the same way. Let me show you one more. It's necessary to squeeze the chicken mince so that it is nice and tight and not hollow. These donuts are not so spicy and very good for little children. If you prefer them more spicy, you can increase the green chili or the chili flakes. I'll continue making all of these in the same way and then we will deep fry them all. You can make these chicken donuts one day prior to and keep them in the fridge and fry them whenever you want them. These chicken donuts taste best when served hot with any of your dips or sauces. These are all done And now let's deep fry them. I have taken some oil in a kadai and heated it on medium heat. Add the doughnuts and cook them well for around 4 to 5 minutes till they are golden brown. Keep the flame on medium and keep flipping the doughnuts in between. This will take approximate 4 to 5 minutes to get a nice color, and the chicken too will be cooked by then. This has got a nice golden color. Get it out from the oil and place it on a kitchen tissue paper. Continue frying the rest of it in the same way. Snacks and starters are everyone's favorite. And especially for non-vegetarians, chicken is the topmost. So do try the chicken donut recipe and delight and surprise your little ones. I'll be serving the chicken donuts with a mayo dip. I've taken some mayonnaise and adding half a teaspoon of mustard sauce in it. Just mix it and a dip is ready. It's time to plate and taste our chicken donuts. These chicken donuts taste best when served hot. I'll show you how crispy these are. Thanks for watching this recipe on Garfin's Creation. And do subscribe, like, share and comment. There are more such delicious recipes on Garfin's Creation. Do watch them all. Until we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye-bye.